If you are getting the AMD Ryzen Master error, a driver cannot load on this device with AMDRyzenMasterDriver.sys, here is the quick fix. First, open your browser and go to the official AMD website. Download and install the latest version of AMD Ryzen Master. Reinstalling the latest version helps replace broken or corrupted files. Next, download Geek Uninstaller. Open it, find AMD Ryzen Master in the list, click on it, and uninstall it completely. This will also remove leftover registry files. After that, open Command Prompt as administrator and type this command: DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Press enter and wait for the scan to finish. Once done, restart your PC. If the issue is still not fixed, open Windows Security, go to Device Security, then Core Isolation Details, and turn off Memory Integrity. Now restart your computer again, and the Ryzen Master driver error should be gone. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick fixes.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.